how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. In today's video, I'm just doing a full face get ready with me on this look right here. You can call it a Valentine's look, or you can just call it a red look, whatever you prefer. But I love how it came out. I had a lot of fun creating it and getting to this point. Whether you want to do your makeup with me or just throw me on in the background, I'm excited to spend time with you, and I hope you enjoy this video. Before we hop in, as far as my accessories go, I don't know where this choker's from. It's very old. This is just an old Amazon wig. This is a CC brand beanie, and this sweater is from Not Your Average Babe. So yeah, without further ado, let's just hop in and get into this full face get ready with me. Good morning. How is it going? I think I'm losing my voice a little bit, hence the nice warm tea next to me. We're gonna do a little get ready with me today. I really wanted to do another kind of reddish Valentine's-y look since Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and I don't think I'll have time to post another one before Valentine's Day if it's not today. So we're gonna do that, or it's just gonna be a red-based look if you're just into red eyeshadow and maybe not Valentine's Day. But yeah, we're gonna get started. I already primed, as always. I primed with the Lawless Set the Stage before I did my brows, just so it could have time to like sink into the skin, you know? I'm not sick at all, by the way. It's just allergies, you know? Sometimes it rains here in Florida, and then all of us can't breathe anymore for like a day. I kinda wanna use the Rare Beauty Under Eye Brightener as concealer today. I've been wanting to try that and see how I like it. If it's not enough, then obviously I'll go in with more concealer, and obviously I'm skipping foundation today. But I kind of wanted to try it because I've heard a lot of people enjoy doing it, and I've been wanting to try it just for myself, but I keep forgetting, so let's give it a shot. I hope you're doing well, by the way. What's new with you? Have you been watching the new season of RuPaul's Drag Race? Who are your favorite queens? I don't even know who my favorites are yet. There's a lot of really good ones. I think Mistress is doing great. I really like, oh man, I'm forgetting everybody's names. There's a lot of really good queens though. I'm pretty excited about this season so far. I'm excited to see what all happens. You know, I'm actually not mad at that by itself as concealer. However, I do feel the need to spot conceal like around my nose a little bit and kind of down here where I'm a little bit red. Just the tiniest bit. And then I might go in with a little bit more of the under eye brightener for my under eyes, but I'm pretty happy with that. What have you been watching lately? Like whether it's on YouTube or TV, movies, like what have you been watching? Are you playing any games right now? What's new? What's the hot gossip? Just gonna go in with just a teeny bit more of that under eye brightener right under my eyes, just for a little extra something. For those of you who play The Sims, have you seen the trailer for the new pack? I forget what it's called. It's called like something about family. It's like a family pack, and it looks really, really good. I'm so excited for it. March cannot get here fast enough. I'm so, so pumped. It looks so cute, and I do a lot of family gameplay, so that's gonna be like amazing. I'm gonna set my under eyes now with my Kaleidos Matte Luminizer Powder. Basically gone. Just gonna set right underneath my eyes where I crease a little bit. And then we'll move on to bronzer and blush and all that fun stuff. Moving on to bronzer, I think I'm gonna use a cream today because I have a cream blush stick that I wanna use, but I'm just gonna use my Rare Beauty Power Boost. Just gonna pop some around the nose a little bit. This is actually like my favorite cream bronzer. I'm surprised I haven't used it more recently. I guess I've just been using other stuff lately. I'm not too concerned with my forehead. I am gonna be wearing a wig and beanie today, so I'm just gonna ignore my forehead today. Just love how creamy and blendable this stick is. It's so good. Although I feel like the viewfinder's making it look a lot more yellowy than it is in person. In person, it looks a lot more natural, like just tan. So yeah, ignore that. Moving on to blush, I got sent a little package from AF94. This is like About Face Beauty's more affordable brand that's in Walmart. I still haven't tried the official About Face Beauty yet, but now I'm trying this brand. This is the Playdate Multi-Use Cheek and Lip Color in the shade Soft Smile. It's like a cream blush stick, could be used on the lips apparently, but I'll probably just use it on the face. So I'm just gonna dabble some of this on my sponge and then go to town on my nose. Just kind of see how this goes. I did not mean to rhyme just then. Well, it seems fine so far. I don't really have anything to say. I feel like I have to kind of build it up to see the pigment that I want to, but it's not behaving badly. It's not moving anything around. Seems to be melting into the skin nicely, so that's good. I think I like that actually. It's cute. I like the color of it, and it's pretty glowy and nice. I think I'm good with that. Moving on now to some fake freckles. Freck XL, you know the drill. I'm probably just gonna zip past this because I've done my fake freckles on camera 500 times. Nothing is new. I just kind of dot them around and then I'll use my little sponge to pounce them out so that they mesh into the skin nicely. And then once I'm satisfied with the amount, we'll move on to highlighter. All right, freckles are done. And then the sun was starting to like peek in very aggressively, so I shut my curtains and now I feel like I don't look orange anymore, so that's nice. For highlighter, bringing out Old Faithful, my Fenty Beauty How Many Carats Diamond Balm that I just ripped the label off of. Whoopsie. It is getting so old and used and I love it. Just gonna use this little fan brush from Lethal Cosmetics. Dust this around my nose and cheekbones and all the good things. I don't know if this highlighter will ever not be my favorite. It's just too good. I'm actually even gonna pounce my beauty sponge in this a bit and then pop even more around my cheekbone area just for an even glossier look. So cute. All right, well now I'm just gonna spray my face with my Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Setting Spray and then we'll move on to the eyes. I'm loving how glossy my skin looks today. It looks good. So moving on to the eyes, it's gonna be pretty simple. Well, it's gonna be really dramatic, but only like a couple steps. So let's get into it. Just priming with my Sigma eyeshadow base as per usual. I'm actually gonna start by just laying down more of my Fenty highlighter as my like base color before I go in with my giant wing. I'm just gonna use my finger and just kind of tippy tap this all around my lids, just to get a nice little dusting, a little sparkle as my background color. And then I'm gonna take my Blend Bunny gel liner and we're gonna do a big wing across my lid. Just taking this tiny little e.l.f. concealer brush, I'm just going to draw some along the base of my lid and look up just so I can see a faint line of where my eye transfers so I can work with that. I'm gonna draw my tail going outward. Just a little bit, I might extend it later, and then I'll kind of connect into it and kind of follow that line that I created. Kind of going out from the center, making sure everything connects. This is one of those things that takes a little bit of practice when you're first learning, but once you figure out like your eye shape, it's pretty easy peasy to kind of slap it on. Still kind of building up this line, stretching it out, extending things until I get a rough shape like this. I need to be a little closer to a mirror to be able to perfect it, but that's a good base for now. And then I'm just gonna kind of fill this in so it's all covered. And then I'm gonna perfect it a little bit. Do the same thing on the other eye, and then we will move on to our shadow. All right, now that my base is kind of roughly set, it's not perfect, but it's because I'm gonna be covering it with shadow anyways, but like the shape is there. So now I'm gonna go in with my shimmer. I'm gonna start with my NYX Glitter Primer, of course. I'm just gonna use this flatter brush. This is actually the P3 brush from the Ace Beauté Palettopoli collection. And I'm just going to tap this kind of across the lid, basically just filling in the black area. And then all over on top of that, I'm gonna be using one of the Oden's Eye multi-chromes that I've been dying to use in a look, and it's the red one, Leon. It is so pretty. It's one of my favorites from the whole collection, and I've been itching to do a look with it. So I'm literally going to just completely cover this over top of the black, and it's gonna be so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's just such a rich, perfect, vampy ruby Valentine's red. It is so good. So yeah, I'm just gonna fill in my lines here. Do you hear the crows crowing? I hope you can. It's very majestic. It makes me feel like I live in like a fairy tale or something. But yeah, I'm just gonna fill this in, completely covering the black. I'm gonna get to a point where I'm gonna have to do the rest off camera so I can see really close to my face. I don't have my contacts in right now, so I'm kind of just hoping for the best here. I can see up to a point, but close up details on my eyes, I kind of need a mirror for. But this is the general look. I'm just going to finish smearing it on this lid and then copy it on the other one. I'm gonna throw on my lashes and eye pencil and something on my lips, possibly one of the AF94 liquid lipsticks, as long as it matches, and I'll be back when I'm complete. Oh, I'm also going to take more of my Fenty highlighter, and that'll be my inner corner highlight, by the way. I'll just be packing and smearing that on once all is said and done. All right, this is my final look. I love how it came out. I love the shift on this shadow. Like you can see it on this side. It goes from like super black into like a bloody red into a vibrant red, and I just absolutely love it. I love it in this big wing form as well. It's so cool. The eye pencil I ended up using is Blown Away from Colourpop, just like a very light, metallic kind of bright pencil. These lashes are just discontinued Noella lashes that are no longer available, and on my lips I did go with one of those AF94 liquid lipsticks. I don't feel like it's the perfect shade of red to go with this look, but I don't really care that much either. I kind of like it. It's in the shade Like Fine Wine. I'm liking this formula so far. It feels very, I don't know, it feels comfortable. Like it does dry, but it doesn't feel like it's suffocating my lips either. I do wonder, what if I tapped some of that shadow over it? Ooh, that's kind of nice. I'm not usually a metallic lip kind of girl, but I feel like this is actually even better and it all just suits the vibe really well. So yeah, let's just zoom out and finish up this video. Thank you so much for watching my video. I love how this look came out. I think it's so cute. I love this shadow. I think it's such a brilliant shadow and I'm so excited about it. I'd love to know if you've tried any of the products I mentioned today. Do you want any of them? Have you tried a lot from AF94? I would love to know what your favorites are. I had a lot of fun with this video. I have some really fun videos coming this week and I'm just excited to hang out with you. If you made it to the end of this video, why don't you leave some red emojis? And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out a lot. And if you're not already, you can follow me on my other socials. You can join the battybean fam. I am battybean on everything, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. And if you want, you can subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. I'm posting most days here as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, bye. I didn't turn on my lamp. I should do that.